All right. Lunch is ready. Oh my God, look at this. Oh man. Okay. Well, what I got here is a bunch of potatoes, a burger. Take that off there for a sec. Go grab plates. I'm gonna try to eat like a civilized human being. Not looking good. Alright. I'm sure I'm gonna do this one-handed, but I'm gonna figure it out. Something like that. I really want to make it, man. Ah, he's got onions in there too. Oh, more butter. I'll take that, please. Okay.
You must be some of the money sauce.
I don't need no money sauce. I'm good. I want money sauce on this stuff. Okay. I am going to take this. Look at that, guys. Tell me that doesn't look freaking delicious. Oh, man. I definitely got to work on making some chairs or something. There's really nowhere to sit, but I am still hanging on this log precariously. There we go. I love hamburgers too. I really do. I have to turn this like this, keep the weight balanced. There we go. That is not any store-bought burger. That's a homemade. Oh yeah. Delicious. Juicy and cooked perfect. Mmm. Here. Potato. Oh man, so good. The potatoes are awesome too, bud. Get some of them into you. Peter doesn't normally eat a whole lot when we're out, man. But today he's like been wolfing back the wings, the burger, potatoes. Because he's worked hard today. Yeah, I want another bite of that. Oh. Good, man. Out in the middle of the woods. We're so lucky to even get a fire going today. Everything is soaked. I wear a light brown boot. Not so light brown now. Absolutely soaked. Everything, we got puddles going on in there. Everything's got to thaw out, but spring is upon us, man. I can't wait. Can't wait to get the boat going again. A little boat we got. I'm gonna get a canoe this summer, hopefully. I can convince my wife to let me buy one, but I know you've only seen the wife once. She only came out with us once. She's not the winter time person, but she loves getting out in nature and camping and stuff in the summer, so. And she loves getting out in the boat, and we go fishing, and it's awesome. Nice. Potatoes are good. Oh. Oh man. Good, man. It's hard to cook out here because you don't have 2 or 3 different burners where you can keep things warm. You don't have a warmer. You know, there's no oven.
We're lucky to get a fire going.
We got one little fire source, and it's all got to be done on that. And it's, I mean, it's beautiful out, but I mean, it's still winter. There's snow everywhere. So once you pull something away from that fire, it don't take long for it to get cold. Good. Very good.
Let's find some lettuce and bills.
Man, we ate good today, eh? Chicken wings and frickin' hamburgers. And
We're going to need it 4 hours to get home.
yeah, it's going to take a couple hours to hike out of here, so that'll be good energy.
Very good.
Look at Peter cleaning up and everything.
Awesome.
The garbage bags are over here now, buddy. We moved them. Right over here, yeah. Alright guys, well, we're probably boring the crap out of you, but this is so good. Peter is a good cook. That's for sure. There was always that expression, you never trust a skinny cook, but there's also exceptions to every rule, I suppose, so. We ate really good today. Look, I'm full. I'm ready for a nap. Man. Look at that sun. Oh, beautiful, man. Getting bright out now. Oh, crow. There we go. Hey, bud. Alright guys, well, I'm going to finish my lunch and I'll be back.